Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 10 most beautiful birds in the world. Number 10, Eclectus parrots. Eclectus parrots are one of the most unique birds in the world because males and females are completely different colors. Number 9, the Victoria crowned pigeon. Victoria crowned pigeons are the largest pigeons in the world and are named after Queen Victoria. Number 8, Golden finches. This small, rare bird has so many different color imitations as you can see. Number 7, rainbow lorikeet. Rainbow lorikeets can easily be called one of the most colorful birds in the world. Number 6, keel-bill toucan. This bird uses its intensely large beak to feed on fruits and seeds. Number 5, the mandarin duck. This unique, vibrant duck is native in East Asia. Number 4, the Wilson's bird of paradise. This bird can be found in Indonesia's islands. Number 3, the blue peacock. This bird is famous for the male's blue and green tail feathers. Number 2, the golden pheasant. This bird is native in China and is known for its beautiful, intricate plumage. And finally, number 1, the resplendent quetzal. This beautiful bird is known as the jewel of the Central American forests. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.